What's up? So I've just gone for a little bit of a jog, run, walk. Question from one of my friends, Courtney. How do you prioritize exercise? How do you make time to exercise? And this is how I see it. I see exercise is not something as a chore that I have to do. It's something that I feel like I want to do, not because I have to, not because someone told me to. I always do it because I feel like doing it. And I think that's what makes it easy, and that's what makes it enjoyable when you do exercise. How I prioritize exercise, well, I just get it done. Whether it be walking to somewhere, whether it be stretching, I always aim to move my body somehow. And it's so important to do that because it's not healthy to be sedentary, it's not healthy to just sit on your ass all day. Some form of training, whether it be just stretching, yoga, walking to your supermarket and back instead of driving to your supermarket and back. Like, you don't need a car, you don't need to do all that shit to like small little places, you can just walk there. Even better, getting a bike and not using your car so much, so using your bike to commute to places. It gets you there faster than walking, than running. Cycling is really good for that too because you can use it as a transport and you can get super fit doing that, because if you use your car less, then you can just commute to places on your bike. And that way, if you've got work or something, or if you've got school, you can just ride there and ride back. Also, getting up early in the morning, sometimes I do that if I feel like it. Again, I always go off how I feel, not something that I have to do. Sometimes it's good to push yourself, you know, to get outside your comfort zone and to do things you wouldn't normally do, but to like force yourself when you're fucking like not feeling it, it's not a good idea because you're not going to enjoy it. Most people live really busy lives, obviously, so taking care of your health has to be like a priority, something that you want to do. So you have to make time for it in your busy life, in your busy day, because I think exercise is really important, really important for mental clarity. Exercise releases endorphins, it makes you feel good. You know, people don't exercise and they seek that endorphin hit, that dopamine hit, so they go to drugs, they go to caffeine to give them like that energy boost and to give them that feel good feeling, when literally you can just go for a walk or for a run or for a cycle, or just, I don't know, man, just go play with some kids. They're full of energy. Oh, look at my leg. This is a good stretch. Stretches out your hip flexors. So yeah, just little small things like that, and you can easily fit it in, whether it be 10 minutes, whether it be an hour. You have like 24 hours in your day, obviously 10 should be sleep, but the rest of your day, like, you might for 4 hours just be sitting on your phone scrolling on Facebook and doing boring shit. Instead, get up, get outside, enjoy some fresh air, get into nature, because I 100% guarantee you will feel at least a little bit better than you did before if you just get outside and do something. Do something with your life. Life's too fucking short. Life's too short to just be fucking around. If you want to do something, do it. Don't wait till next week. Don't wait till next year. Don't wait, because when you wait, you're not guaranteed to get there. You're not guaranteed to get to that dream unless you start now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. I don't care. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you have any video recommendations or little, I don't know, questions that I can make a video on, ask me on my Tumblr. I've got a Tumblr. You don't have to have an account. You don't have to, you can do it anonymously, so you don't have to have your name there or whatever. If you want to keep it confidential. I hope you liked this video, guys. See you in another video. Peace out. Bye. Got that hole. Fuck. That's how I wear clothes, guys, until they're fucking popping with holes.